Hello, I'm Mr. Junior Yoso. I've been with De La Salle Zobel for more than 3 decades. I started as a freshman teacher back in 1990.
So, sige, my name is, I'm Ms. Vanji De Peralta. I started as a teacher here in De La Salle Zobel in 1990. Imagine, 1990. And this is 2024, so please do not count. Booking, all right.
Okay, for batch 1999, actually marami akong memorable moments with them, pero ang isa sa pinaka gusto kong i-mention yung marami sa kanila super cooperative sa mga teachers, especially when we ask them to line up before entering the classroom. Kahit may init sa corridor, kahit may init outside St. La Salle building, pila yan, susunod yan. And for the other batches, of course, I personally believe marami silang natutunan from us, not just sa academics, life skills also from us seasoned teachers.
1999, I would say, I consider them a very active batch during that time, because I remember I was the head of the social action during that time, and I see them everywhere, from academics to sports to all kinds of activities in the student life of a LaSallian during that time. They're everywhere, this batch talaga. From the academics, no, to dancing, to sports, to publications, they're everywhere talaga. And what is good about this batch is the teachers would always talk about them kasi they are really much appreciated by the faculty. This batch talaga. They are, how do I say, multi-intelligent. This is how I will describe this batch, 1999. Okay.
Of course, DLSZ will always be a second home for me. This is where I grew up as a person, as a professional, and mas gusto ko sana na ma-maintain talaga yung homey environment na nararamdaman ko whenever I'm inside De La Salle Zobel.
For me, it's really a home for me, because 33 years of my life is spent in De La Salle Zobel. And how many children and how many students have graduated. So every batch would be 4,000. When I was a teacher in high school for 7 years, I always look forward being in the classroom, being with the students, because that is what I'm called for, to be a teacher to the students entrusted to my care. And every time I wake up in the morning, I always look forward saying good morning to my students and hearing my students respond to you by saying good morning, Ms. Vanji, and we see Jesus in you, and I also see Jesus in them. So for me, it's De La Salle Zobel is always a part of my life. It's home. It's always a home where you feel there is a sense of meaning in the work that I have done for 33 years to all the students entrusted to my care. And I am proud LaSallian partner in the mission of our founder. For me, that's a home.
Excited ako makita sila lahat, lalo na yung mga Totoy at Nene before, how they look like now, mga professionals na rin, and of course, mga mommy at daddy na rin yung karamihan. And I'd be excited to see them and hear stories from them, their life journey as well. Of course.
Oh my God, I really look forward always every December because I would see my former students and I would hear stories about how they made a difference, no, in their life. Kumbaga, not only with their own personal lives but in the life of others. So whenever there is an alumni homecoming, it's more of the stories that we wanted to hear from one another. So I'm excited to hear about their families. I'm excited to hear how they continue to connect with one another, how they continue to be supportive with one another, and that is what Lasallian community is all about. Even if you're not with LaSalle anymore as a student, no, but after college or after high school, even if there are already parents and there are grandparents, they continue to live the Lasallian spirit. And I can see them, I see them in the malls, I see them in different aspects of our life as Filipinos. And I'm so proud of our alumni talaga.
Okay, for Batch 1999, I will be welcoming you back to De La Salle Zobel with open arms, and I'm excited to see all of you for everything that you have achieved in life, for everything that you've gone through. I am sure naka-anchor yan sa Lasallian roots ninyo. So, be home on December 14 and I'll be seeing you. Thank you.
Lasallian alumni, this is a full a message to my former students, and my hope and my prayer is that you continue the Lasallian spirit. No matter what, you continue to live who we are, living our faith, believing in our capacity, believing in the capacity of others, and putting all these strengths together, we can all make a difference to this community and this society. And bring all these strengths together, bring all these beautiful resources together. No? These gifts that God has given to us. And I'm sure this society will be a better Philippines because we live who we are and what we are as Lasallians. That's it. Good luck, and let's see each other and enjoy our homecoming. It's a home. Ito ang ating tahanan, ang DLSC.